Enjoy your meal, sweetie. Oh my goodness, how is that even possible?
Delicious ice cream! Get your lovely ice cream right here! An obese cat has entered my supermarket and he's destroying the place and eating all the food. Please send help immediately.
Don't worry. My team and I are coming there swiftly.
Come on, everyone. We need to help the little kitten.
Oh my goodness, what is happening here?
Here you go, little bunny.
Oh my goodness! The evil clown is taking the poor bunny!
Oh no!
The boss! He has the bunny!
Trapped! You're all mine, little bunny! That's it!
I've trapped the little rabbit. That cat can't catch me.
Oh no! They're getting away with the rabbit! We have to catch them! Come on, open up! I can do it! Now I've got you!
Now you're finished, kitty.
I know what to do! I think this key will free the bunny! Let's go save him! I think the poor bunny is in here. We have to save him. Quick! We have to get out of here before he comes back! You're safe now, little bunny! Let's go home! This is my home, friend.
I was so worried you were lost, my baby.
Mommy, this is my friend who saved me, Meow. Thank you for saving my baby, little one.
No problem, ma'am. Just doing my job.
I'm going to the market.
Don't worry, I'm going to save him.
Oh no! What will we do now? Run and hide in your room, little one. Tell your dad.
I'm coming now. Hide quickly.